This is our Forex blog for Monday, June 30th, 2014. And these are our currency indexes, which let you see visually what each individual currency is doing. You can see, for instance, the dollar here is strong. It's above its hourly moving average. For the most part, its 15-minute moving average is above the previous day's point of control, which is the price most traded on Friday. And then it breaks down throughout that area. But during that time, you can buy the strong dollar versus whatever currency is weak. And the euro looks strong, the pound or the yen strong, the pound's above its hourly, underneath the point of control. Let's take a look at some of the other ones. The Australian's weak, New Zealand's weak, and the CAD's weak. So earlier in the day, you can sell the Australian dollar, weak Aussie strong dollar. Remember, somewhere around I think 4 or 5 where the dollar went weak. But before that, you're looking for sells. Small win, big win, maybe small win. Dollar CAD, strong dollar, weak CAD. You're looking to buy it early in the day. And it's a little multi-hour rectangle pattern. It only went up about 10 pips here. And the last one was the New Zealand dollar, the weak New Zealand strong dollar. You want to look to sell it, and you can see, you get short, very small risk, big win, small risk, very tiny win, small risk, again very tiny win. And then, I think after 8, the dollar was no longer weak. Strong. A lot of people want to see each day how our currency indexes are doing. Here's the euro, which really didn't have any trade today because the market was, pretty much so dead and such low volatility that, there's only one trade that was a loss. The pound dollar did much better. There's a lot of trades, a lot of wins. We had a small win right here, pretty much a break even, small break even, nice win, pretty much break even there, and then a nice win. This trade here was a loss, and then we had a small win. So pretty much mostly wins. Significantly big wins. This is a 30 pip, 25 pip. The small wins pretty much counteract the small losses, and then you're left with the two big, 25 and 35 pip win. And we have over 400 different patterns in our signals. Each of them have 8 to 35 different plus rules. So you can see here this one had pretty much break even. You had a very small loss here. You had a much bigger win here. Pretty much had a break even here. We had a break even here, and we're still on that last trade. The key is big wins, small losses. Here's the euro yen. Decent sized trade. There really wasn't any other trades today. A professional trader might have sold this double top right there and maybe made 5 or 6 pips. The fact that it didn't go underneath this low right here, you might have, after half an hour to hour and a half of sideways range, when it broke out, you might have went long right there and got into this trade a little bit earlier. But it's very hard to teach a computer to take perfect trades that a professional trader would see and spot. That's why our currency index is a wonderful companion to our signals. You can really see here the Swiss. It's above its hourly, goes above the previous day's high, pulls back, finds support right here, you can trade this against whatever currency is weak. And if you look at 2 o'clock, or a little bit after 2 o'clock, the Australian and New Zealand are weak, you can sell the Aussie Swiss at that time, because one's strong and one's weak, and you have a nice little trend line break right here, and your risk versus your reward is, very favorable to you. And that's why our currency indexes and our currency meters, our perfect oscillator, and many other tools really are the very best ways of trading for people that don't want to have to learn all the different trading methods. You can just use our Forex signals.